Royal Fans, and today I'm going to do the blow-up balloon experiment. What you'll need is...
You'll need a balloon, optional, you can have a smiley face.
And you need a half a cup of vinegar and a clean empty water bottle.
Some baking soda. Now you are going to add your baking soda to your balloon. Now get your balloon that's filled with baking soda and put it where your water bottle is filled with vinegar. And don't dump your baking soda, do this. Slowly pour your baking soda down. And see what happens? Whoa! And see how it's dissolving over here? It's what affects this is because baking soda is not used to vinegar because vinegar is cold. So they both mix together and they're like having a fight, and then all that air pressure comes up to the balloon and it fills the balloon, and the balloon's very cold and wet. So please subscribe to my channel to see more of my DIY experiments and lots of more videos. Give me a thumbs up, watch this video over and over again. Thank you for watching. Bye!